let's have a look. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. Hope the audio is good, but anyway guys, thanks for tuning in again for another one of my videos. This is just a little bracket for a GoPro and I just mount on the mirror. Get this out of the way. Now, a few of you have commented, like this is a problem that I've had, that on the cowling there, when you rev the bike, it's you get this almighty noise, a vibration noise out of this thing that sits just above the TFT screen, right? So I've had this from day one. I've pretty much had a problem with this from probably the first ride that I went on, and within a little while, within a few hours, it just started vibrating, and the noise was just, you thought something was falling apart in the back, which it's not. Everything seems pretty firm and secure, but this little thing's only got 2 screws and the clips aren't really that good. So I think, I don't know what I'm going to do for a workaround. Now I know that you can tighten it up and it'll probably fix the problem temporarily, but what I'm going to try is, I've got some duct tape. I don't know if you can see that on the I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, I hope you can see it, but I've just got the GoPro mounted to my head, so, or to my neck. So what I'm going to try, I'm just going to try a little bit of tape. Just going to try just a little bit of. Now, again, this hasn't been tested, right? So we'll test it, and then we'll give you the final, the final verdict. But I just think it just needs something, just a little bit more material here to, I don't know, just to support it. I just find it just wobbles uncontrollably. This thing just hasn't got enough. It's not tight enough, in my opinion, anyway. So I'm going to try and put this back in its. Try and get it back in position. Okay, all right. So I know it's not the best. It's not the best engineering there, but you really haven't got much choice, have you? Yeah, a few people have commented that they've had issues with this cowling. I'm pretty sure it'll be the same with the 650 again. I'm pretty sure it's the same, almost the same setup up the top there. So let's see if we can improve this thing. Now this is the hard part. Oh, I hope I didn't make too much noise on the camera. Just get that threaded in. So all I've done is put a little bit of duct tape just to give it a little bit more, what's the word? A bit more tightness, if that's the right word, because just this on its own just doesn't seem to be working. It's just a terrible noise. I mean, it's not anything major, it's just a minor stupid thing. So I hope the camera's getting this. Bloody tissue. So I'm just going to press these. I'm just holding it down as far as it'll go as I'm tightening this screw, and don't over tighten anything on a bike, especially little plastic bits like this. Don't over, I don't know, a little bit of fluff got in the screw there, so don't worry. I'm just pushing it down. If you're just wondering what type of Allen key I'm using, just with a little ball head on the top. So I don't think it'll take much to thread these things. So I I know you can take it to the workshop and they'll do it and all the rest of it, but I don't know, sometimes I think you can do things better on your own. Already this feels better, you know, it already feels better. Hasn't got that noise, so see that? So okay, so already feels a lot firmer, so I don't think I'm going to have any more trouble with this issue. I've got to give the bike a clean too. I haven't given it a clean, Christo. So just take it out into neutral. Don't you love the sound of these big twins? They're very much like a V-twin. Bo, 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 bo. Bo, 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 bo. I love the sound of this thing. Yeah, this feels totally different now. I don't think it's going to give me any more grief. No, looks good. Feels a lot tighter. I think that's going to be okay. I think that's going to fix it. I don't think I have to worry too much more about it, but if you've got the same issue, that's all I did to fix that cowling noise. I just get scared when I take it down to the workshops. I just get worried about how tight the mechanics are going to do it, and you know, if you're stuck with any problems, you know. Yeah, I'm not hearing anything from here at all. No movement, no vibration at all.